Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on the Seagate portable drive. This is an external portable hard drive. So here's everything that comes in the box. Let's open it up. Now it's super easy to open up. Just kind of lift this lid. Here's the actual external hard drive, and we do get a USB cable to power it and to transfer the data. Now you can use this on a PC or Mac. Now this cable is the one that goes to the hard drive. Now it will only go one way, so make sure you put it in. There's like a long flat side. Line that up. This end here is a USB-A cable, which you can plug into your computer. There is a little light here to let you know that the hard drive has power. Let's go over size, 4.5 by 3 1/8, and thickness wise, 3/4 of an inch thick. And the cable that comes with it is 16 inches long. I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.